Hi, how are you doing today? Please take a seat.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. The doctor wants you to be part of the RPM or Remote Patient Monitoring Program. It is a program by Medicare to monitor your vitals daily for a proactive measure. The doctor will order only devices out of these devices based on your chronic condition. We have two categories of devices: Smart Hub connected devices and cellular devices. Blood pressure, glucometer, pulse oximeter, scales works with Smart Hub as well as cellular. This program benefits you and your family members because clinical staff will review your vitals data on a regular basis. If vitals are out of range, if there's a need for medication change or adjustments or office visits, your doctor can use this data to better manage your condition. This program reduces hospitalization and ER visits. Your doctor will also know the patient's vitals and health conditions between regular checkups. If vitals are out of range, clinical staff will be contacting you or the caregiver just to make sure everything is fine and if needed to come in for a check or telehealth visit.
Okay, I understand.
This is the RPM consent form. It states here that you agreed to be part of this RPM program and you are the only one authorized and would be using these devices as instructed. You will not use these devices for any reasons other than your own health monitoring. You understand that you can only participate in this program with one medical provider at a time. You will not tamper the equipment and that you understand that you are responsible for any fees associated with misuse or damage of the equipment. These devices are only designed and designated for the RPM program. You understand that the devices collect appropriate vitals, reading, and transfer those data to a secure online website. They are not an emergency response units and are not monitored 24/7. You need to call 911 for immediate medical emergencies, but the clinical staff or the remote team will reach out to you at your number if we see any urgent readings. You can withdraw your consent to participate in this program and revoke service at any time by returning the devices in working condition. You will be charged full price for any device that is not returned in working condition. You are fully aware that this consent is valid so long as you're in possession of the RPM equipment. By signing below, you have read and understood the information and consent to participate and confirming you are not currently enrolled into RPM program with another provider. Now, let's start with the glucose meter. I will use lancing device. Put a lancet and poke your finger. We will use a strip and put your finger close to it to extract blood and take the glucose reading. Next is the pulse oximeter. This is used to measure your blood's oxygen level. Please insert your index finger. Just relax, and we press the blue button to start the reading. The hub will talk and say pulse oximeter connected. Once it talks, it means that the device started to take the reading. If it doesn't talk, it means it's not working. We will know reading is complete. The hub will say it's complete, and you can take off the finger from the pulse oximeter. Now for the weight. Our weight scale is also connected to the hub. The weighing scale is a smart scale that doesn't only measure your weight, but other things as well. You must be barefoot when you step on the scale to get the exact measurement. Next is we will take your reading using our blood pressure monitor with the hub. Just the same with using our other devices, you need to have the app open before taking the reading like this. After that, we can start taking a reading. It will talk, blood pressure cuff connected. It indicates that there is a connection and it works. The Smart Hub should talk. If it's talking, it means it's working. If it doesn't work, call the tech support number at the back of the Smart Hub. You can see the readings on the screen. So that means it is successful and will be uploaded to the cloud so your doctor will get it in real time. You will see all the vitals reading you made here on the Smart Hub. Now, we are going to take a reading using cellular blood pressure. When taking a reading, the connector must be aligned to your hands. The reading will take some time to finish, so relax your arm and your hands must be on a table. The device will take a reading. After the reading is completed, please do not turn off the device as it will upload the data through the cellular network. This device has a SIM card inside. The device will turn off by itself after it has uploaded the data. Same works for cellular scale, glucometer, and pulse oximeter. If you encounter any issue, data is not going through, please contact our customer support.